All right, back at the truck stops. Woo! There's a lot of spools cruising through. It looks like the fuel station's just a little bit busy today. I did see a rig down here as I was coming down Highway 41, and I wanted to come through and be sure and point out. Let me see, where is it? There it is. Well, you can smell the diesel fuel. Trucks are running, staying warm. Ah, there he is. Let me back up just a little bit. There we go. Check that guy out sitting back there. Man, that is beautiful. Woo! All right. Car hauler taking a break. Let's do some filming and see what's going on.